Hi everyone, time to eat. So I ordered food. I ordered their local dish. This is called Naan. Naan bread, flat bread, anyone wants to call it. I don't know. Then I have what they used to eat it. This is called Mutton Karahi.
Yeah.
Made with goat meat. The goat meat is the Mutton. Yeah. Can you see?
Can you see? Nice, so cute. I like it.
So let's
eat. Let's eat though.
Gosh, so hot.
It's so hot though.
It's my first time ordering from this restaurant, so I don't know. So this is Mutton Karahi. You eat it with this flat bread. They call it naan.
That's what they use to say now.
Naan bread. Hey, I think I ordered too much. I ordered 5.
Yes.
I ordered 5. So let's dig in.
Eat.
Let's eat.
Let's eat now. Butter.
I like that there's pepper. Because this stage in my life, I don't eat without pepper. But it's not that tasty. Meat is so soft. Pairing with the meat.